Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon and also select all options so you will get first notification whenever I upload my videos. Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue exercise 16.1 probability. So this is the part 2 of exercise 16.1. So next ninth problem. A box contains one red and three identical white balls. Box contains one red and three identical white balls. So three white balls. That means they are identical, means W similar balls. W. If they are not identical, this is W1, W2, W3. So identical ball means same balls. Two balls are drawn at random in succession without replacement. Write the sample space for this experiment. So write the sample space means S. So how many balls are drawn? Two balls are drawn at random in succession without replacement. Then two balls means how you will get the balls? Let red ball means R and white ball is already we denoted with W. So in two balls are drawn. Whenever you draw two balls, then first ball may be red and second ball may be white. One chance is for first red and second white chance is there. Next, white and white. First ball may be red, white, and second ball also may be white. Next, first ball may be white and second ball may be the red. So two balls are drawn. That means either red white or white or white red in succession without replacement. Write the sample space for this experiment. Means red white, two balls either red white or white. First ball is red, second ball is white, or first ball is white, second ball is also white, or first ball is white and second ball is red. This is the sample space for this experiment. Next problem. An experiment consists of tossing a coin and then thrown second time if a head occurs. If a tail occurs on the first toss, then a die is rolled once. Find the sample space for this experiment. So here experiment consists of tossing a coin. Coin is tossed. So whenever if you toss a coin, either you will get head or tail. An experiment consists of tossing a coin and then thrown second time if a head occurs. If a head occurs, again we have to throw a coin. That means head to tail. Thrown second time. Again we have to toss the coin if head occurs. Suppose if a tail occurs on the first toss, if a tail occurs first toss, then a die is rolled. Means how many chances are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Die is rolled. Find the sample space for this experiment. So first we are throwing a coin. If head occurs in the first toss, here you are tossing a coin. If a head occurs, again you are throwing a coin once again. If a tail occurs, you are throwing a die. For this situation, write the sample space. For this experiment means S is equal to, suppose in the first toss head occurs, then again head occurrence chance is there, or H T chance is there, head to tail chance is there. Suppose in the first toss tail occurs, then T1 chance is there, or T2, or T3, or T4, or T5, or T6. So total how many possibilities are there? Number of sample points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of sample points are 8 in this experiment. Next problem. Suppose 3 bulbs are selected at random from a lot. Each bulb is tested and classified as defective or non-defective. Write the sample space for this experiment. Defective or non-defective. write the sample space for this experiment. So how many bulbs are selected? 3 bulbs are selected at random. So total 3 bulbs. Each bulb is tested. Each bulb is tested and classified as either defective or non-defective. So 1, 2, 3. You are drawing like this. So in the first drawn, it may be defective. Third also defective. A second defective and third is also defective chance is there. When you are drawing a bulbs from the lot, first, second, third, 3 bulbs you are drawing. So from in that experiment, first chance is for defective, 1 chance is there. Second also defective chance is there, and third is also defective chance is there. Next, defective, non-defective 1 chance. Defective, non-defective, defective 1 chance. Next, non-defective, defective 1 chance. Next, defective, non-defective. Next, defective, non-defective, defective and non-defective. Next, defective, non-defective, defective 1 chance. Total n. So total how many will come? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So number of sample points are 8. When you are drawing 3 bulbs from a lot, so total how many sample points are there for this situation? 8. Next, 12th problem. A coin is tossed. If the outcome is head, a die is thrown. So first we are tossing a coin. A coin is tossed. When a coin is tossed, if the outcome is head, tail. If the outcome is head, a die is thrown. If the outcome is head, then a die is thrown. Die means it shows 6 outcomes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, if the die shows up an even number, again if the die shows even numbers means 2, 4, 6. If it shows an even number, the die is thrown again. Again the die is thrown. That means again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chances are there. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly, if it shows 6 also, 6 outcomes will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, what is the sample space for the experiment? So first we are tossing a coin. If a coin shows head, a die is rolled. Again, after die is rolled, if the die shows either 2 or 4, 6 or 2 or 4 or 6, that means even number. Again one more time we have to throw a die. So this is the diagram for the given problem. Write the sample space for this experiment means S is equal to, here T is there alone. Next, H1. Next, H3. Next, H5. H1, H3, H5. Next, H2. Again from 2, 1 will come. H21, H22, H23, H24, H25, H26. Next, H41, H42, H43, H44, H45, H46. Next, H61, H62, H63, H64, H65, H66. So total number of sample points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So number of sample points are how many will come? 22 for this experiment. Next problem. The numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 written separately on 4 slips of a paper. The slips are put in a box. So here box is there. Box is there. In the box 4 slips. Slip 1 contains 1, slip 2 contains 2 and slip 3 contains 3, slip 4 contains 4. The numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 written separately on 4 slips, they are the slips, and put in a box. This is a box. Box, and within the box 4 slips are there, and they mixed thoroughly. A person draws 2 slips from the box, one after the other. So one after the other, one person draws 2 slips from the box without replacement. This condition is very, very important. Without replacement. So describe the sample space for this experiment. So S is equal to. So just imagine within a box 4 slips are there. The person is drawing 2 slips, one after the another without replacement means. So how many chances are there? 1, 2, 1 chance is there. Either 1, 2 may come or 1, 3 may come. First slip number 1 or slip number 3 may come. Next or slip 1, slip 4 chance is there. Or 2, 1, first slip is 2, second slip is 1 chance is there. Second slip, third slip, 1 chance is there. Second slip, fourth slip, 1 chance is there. Next third slip, first slip, next third, second, next third, 4, next fourth, 1, next 4, 2, next 4, 3. So number of sample points, how many will come? N of S is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total number of sample points are 12. Next, problem number 14. An experiment consists of rolling a die and then tossing a coin if the number on the die is even. If the number on the die is odd, the coin is tossed twice. Write the sample space for this experiment. Read line by line. First, an experiment consists of rolling a die. Die is rolled. So die means 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and 6. So total number of outcomes are 6. An experiment consists of rolling a die and then tossing a coin. If the number on the die is even, even numbers means 2, 4, 6. If it shows even number, then we need to toss a coin. Head, tail will come. Same here also, you need to toss a coin if it shows even number, if the die shows even number. Head, tail. If the number on the die is even, then you need to toss a coin. Next, if the number on the die is odd, that means 1, 3, 5. If the numbers are odd, the coin is tossed twice. It tossed twice. So here you are tossing a coin. Head, tail. Head, tail. Again, if you toss a coin, again head, tail will come. Same here also coin is tossed. Head, tail. If you toss a coin again head, tail will come. Next, coin is tossed. Head, tail will come. Again, if you toss a coin, head, tail. 2 times a coin is tossed. Coin, here also you are tossing a coin, here also you are tossing a coin. So write the sample space for this experiment means S is equal to, so 1 head to head, 1 H, next 1 H T, 1 H T, next 1 T H, 1 T H, one chance is there, next 1 T T, 1 T T, next 2 H, 2 H, next 2 T, one outcome, 2 T is another outcome, next 3 H, 3 H, next 3 H T, 3 H T, next 3 H, 3 T H, next 3 T H, next 3 T T, next 4 H, 4 T, 4 H, comma 4 T, next 5 H H, 5 H H, next 5 H T, 5 H T, 5 H T, next 5 T H, next 5 T T, next 6 H comma 6 T, 6 H comma 60. So total number of sample points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So number of sample points are 18. This is the sample space for the given experiment. Next, problem number 15. A coin is tossed if it shows a tail. We draw a ball from a box which contain 2 red and 3 black balls. If it shows head, we throw a die. Find the sample space for this experiment. First line, a coin is tossed. Coin is tossed. Then you will get either head or tail. When a coin is tossed, you will get either head or tail. We draw a ball from the, if it shows a tail, we draw a ball from a box which contain 2 red and 3 black balls. So here one box is there. In this box contain 2 red balls, red 1 and red 2. 2 red balls and 3 black balls. Black ball 1, black ball 2, black ball 3. 3 black balls. Next, if it shows a head, we throw a die. So we are going to throw a die if the coin shows head. Die. So die means total number of sample points means 6 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We throw a die. Find the sample space for this experiment. Coin is tossed. If it shows a tail, we draw a ball from the box which contains 2 red balls and 3 black balls. Next, if it shows head, we are going to throw a die. Find the sample space for this experiment. So what is S? S is equal to H1, comma H2, comma H3, H4, H5, H6. Next, TR1, TR2, TR1, TR2, TB1, TB2 and TB3. These are the sample points for this experiment. So N of S. Number of sample points are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So total number of sample points are 11 for this random experiment. Next, 16th problem, last problem on this exercise. A die is thrown repeatedly until a 6 comes up. What is the sample space for this experiment? You just imagine you are only playing the game. So you have one die. You have one die in your hand. So when you are throwing a die continuously, so when you will win, whenever you will get 6, then you are winner. Otherwise you are loser. So write the sample space for this situation. So write the sample space means we have to write the S. S is equal to So first in the first attempt you may get 6. Chance is there. So that's why in first attempt only there is a chance to get 6. Suppose in first attempt if you get 1, then in second attempt you have a chance to get 6. Suppose in first attempt if you get 6, if you get 2, in second attempt there is a chance to get 6. Or in first attempt if you get 3, in the second attempt you will get 6 chances there. 4, 6 chances there. 5, 6 chances there. Or this much only. Next, in first attempt 6 chances there. In the second attempt in the first attempt 1, second attempt 6 chances there. In the first attempt 2, second attempt 6 chances there. In the first attempt 3, second attempt 6 chances there. In the first attempt 4, second attempt 6 chances there. In the first attempt 5, second attempt 6 chances there. Or in your first attempt and second attempt also you didn't get 6, then how to write sample space? 1 in the first attempt 1, second attempt 1, in the third attempt you may get 6. Next, in the first attempt 1, second attempt 2, third attempt 6. Next, 1, 3, 6 chances there. Or 1, 4, 6. Or 1, 5, 6. Like this, how many sample points will come? Infinite sample points will come. So number of sample points are infinite for this experiment.